Food Shorts presents Shawarma recipe. This is how shawarma will be filled with mashed cabbage, spicy sauces, and salad. This is how shawarma chicken being roasted. Wow, what a juicy chicken! My mouth getting wet. This is how shawarma maker will cook a pita bread with fire. He will put pita into the rod and put it on the fire until the bread looks crispy. Wow, it looks amazing. Now it's time to put all this delicious thing together to make it yummy. He puts all the pita bread into the line and will fill it with spicy sauces. Wow, I can't resist my mind out of it. Now he is adding sauce made red peri chili. And then he added mustard. Now it's time for mashed cabbages and salad.
Hey, listen. You didn't subscribe our channel yet? Please don't hesitate.
Oh wow, now he is adding roasted chicken. It's looking very tempting.
Mommy, can I have some?
No, dear, please wait. It's being ready for you. After adding garlic sauce, it's almost ready to serve. Amazing, it's ready. Now he will wrap it into the butter paper.
The Arabic shawarma is ready to eat. It's really looking very delicious.